Let me teach you my tips and tricks for removing stains the all-natural way. First step, baby formula and baby spit up. All mothers have been there, done that when it comes to baby stains on clothes. However, there is a way to stay away from harsh chemicals whenever you're trying to get these stains out. As with all the natural stain fighting techniques, if you apply this method and the stain is not removed the first time, please do not put the item in the dryer. However, try this method again. It may take a couple of times to fully and completely remove the stain. You will need a plastic knife, baking soda, and club soda. Make sure all excess formula is removed from the article of clothing. Use the plastic knife if you need to. Try not to scrape too hard using the knife so you don't damage the fabric. Sprinkle baking soda onto the stain and then pour your club soda on top of it. There will be fizzing. After the fizzing stops, wash your item and let it air dry. The reason why we air dry is to check to see if the stain is still present. Putting the garment in the dryer with the heat is going to set the stain, and we don't want that to happen. After your clothing has air dried, check the garment and see if the stain is still there. If it is, simply repeat this process until it's gone. Please share this video with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for daily DIY organization and cleaning videos. Thank you.